In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix flipped normals in Blender the fast way. Normals determine which direction a face is pointing, and they're crucial for correct shading, lighting, and many modifiers. If you've ever seen dark, patchy areas or inside-out surfaces, your normals might be flipped. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to fix them. First, add a simple object to test on. With your scene open, press Shift+A, go to Mesh, and choose Cube. This gives us a clear, predictable shape to demonstrate with. If you already have your model in the scene, that's fine. These steps work exactly the same. Select the cube, then press Tab to enter Edit mode. Edit mode is where you work directly on the geometry, vertices, edges, and faces. To make selecting faces easier, press 3 on your keyboard to switch to Face Select. For reference, 1 is for vertices and 2 is for edges, but we'll focus on faces for fixing normals. Now choose the faces you want to correct. Left-click a single face to work on just that area, or press A to select all faces if you want to ensure the entire object is consistent. Selecting everything is a great habit when you're cleaning up a model and you're not sure which faces are flipped. Here's the main fix. Press Alt+N to open the Normals menu, then choose Recalculate outside. Blender will automatically analyze the shape and point all the selected face normals outward. For most solid objects, things like props, characters, and mechanical parts, this is exactly what you want. You should notice shading even out and surfaces look more natural once the normals are unified. There are cases, though, where you actually want the faces pointing inward. Think of rooms, shells, or hollow objects where you're viewing the interior. In those situations, press Alt+N again and choose Recalculate inside. That tells Blender to flip the normals so they face the interior space, which makes lighting and shading behave correctly from inside the object. A quick recap: add a cube with Shift+A, select it, press Tab for Edit mode, press 3 for Face Select, pick the faces you want, A if you want them all, then use Alt+N and choose Recalculate outside for solid objects, or Recalculate inside for interiors and hollow models. With these shortcuts, you can fix most normal issues in seconds and avoid confusing shading artifacts. Keep these steps in your workflow and your models will look much cleaner and render more accurately.